Fill the gap between sketching on paper and CAD modeling. Use free 3DCoatPrint to create new original product and miniature designs in a matter of minutes, not hours. It allows you to be quick, efficient, and the learning curve is almost non-existent. You can start designing and having fun in less than 20-30 minutes after opening the app. Start making crazy 3D printable designs without any need for complex parametric modeling, clunky, hard to learn and paid software. Stop thinking about 3D as something hard, constraining and time-consuming. 3DCoatPrint is using a Voxel technology that allows an unparalleled design freedom for the creators and a very natural clay-like feel for the sculptors. It is as easy to use as a traditional 2D painting application, but with tools that give you an ability to 3D paint in space. There is no limit to what can be done. It can be a miniature for a tabletop game, consumer product, architectural or vehicle 3D sketch. You choose to use it as a concept tool to explore new ideas or spend more time trying to perfect your idea to a level of a polished product ready for a client presentation. The abilities of 3DCoatPrint are mind-blowing, and it is a completely free tool with no obligations. It can make your work more exciting, enjoyable, and give you a competitive edge in the creative economy of today. If you already have a previous 3D modeling or sculpting experience, then 3DCoatPrint Voxel engine and efficiency of the UI will surprise you with a novel approach to many old and tedious 3D modeling tasks. You can split, cut, add details on the fly without worrying about polygons, topology, mesh integrity. Give 3DCoatPrint a go and change your workflow today.